Customs. In our effort to get ready for Cleetus and Cars in Indianapolis, August 15th, which is in about 5 weeks, we build bars, step bars to get easier in and out. We build a hood or an engine cover, kind of apocalyptic theme, and we re-weld the axle that came apart, and I'm gonna show you shrapnel right now. Alright, so if you do not follow B is for Build, you need to pop over there. They are currently building 3 apocalyptic related cars. So I went through, and of course that put me on the YouTube rabbit hole of apocalypse cars and Wasteland and Mad Max and all that kind of stuff. So that's really where some of the styling that will come in the first part of this video comes from, is just from, I don't know, binging a bunch of that stuff. So if you haven't looked at some apocalypse stuff, you need to do that. It's really, really creative builds with cars of parts that are just laying around. So we're going to do some of that on this one, have some fun. All right, before we get down to it though, this is a reminder, this car is being given away when the channel hits 1 million views. The way to enter is down below, full details, all that kind of crap. But basically, subscribe to us here and follow us on Instagram. All right, let's get to work. All right guys, so your rear axle should not do this if it is welded together. So we are gonna fix that here in about the next minute and a half.
Holy shit.
So we have had discussions on my awesome welding ability, but if you're gonna weld up the rear axle, you better have Steven do it. So here he is knocking it out. For the fun part. This is why you're here. I know it is. How about let's build some step bars and rock basher bars for the cart. All right, guys, just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything we have coming. We post here every Tuesday and Friday, but we post daily on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.